How to fix Microsoft Teams video not working. First, you want to simply open the Microsoft Teams application, and inside the Microsoft Teams app you want to simply join any kinds of meeting over here. And inside your meeting, if your video is not working, you want to simply tap on this video icon over here, and by doing so you'd be able to turn on your video on the meeting. After that, you shouldn't be having any kinds of problem. However, if you're still facing any kinds of problem, what you want to do is, in order to check it, you want to simply come back from the app completely, tap and hold onto your Teams application and tap on app info over here. Inside your app info, you want to click on permissions, and here you want to simply tap on camera. Inside your camera, if you have this option set to ask every time or don't allow, you want to simply set it to allow only whilst using the application. By doing so, you have successfully allowed camera access to the Teams application, so you shouldn't be having any kinds of problem. And if the problem continues, what you want to do is you want to simply restart the device once and open the app again. Hope this video was helpful, and if you have any further questions, make sure to leave a comment down below.